Yeah, hi there. In this tutorial, we are going to understand this statement that we must have often seen in Python programming. The statement is if underscore underscore name equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, then execute the main function. So we'll try to understand what this statement means. And I mean, to be honest, it initially looks a bit confusing at the first sight. So the idea is to understand where to use it and what it means. So before that, we need to understand a bit of what is a Python module. So Python module is a file that has a py extension, and the file contains legitimate Python code, and that file can be imported in another Python program. Okay, so if we are importing it, we would say that okay, we are using that Python module in our new program, or we can also directly execute that file in which the code is. So when Python execute a file, before actually starts the execution, it sets up some variables, and one of such variables is dunder name special variable. So it's a built-in variable which evaluates to the name of current module. However, if a module is being run directly, Python sets the name of this dunder name variable as main. Okay, so to understand it, let's say we have this file in which I'm just printing only one thing. Other things I have commented. So print is in main program, the value of underscore underscore name is, and that's the value that we are printing of underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Let's execute this and let's see what we get. So once we execute this code, in the output we get this is the string that we have mentioned in main program, underscore underscore name underscore underscore is main. So what it means that whenever we are executing Python code directly, a Python file directly, then the value of this variable is set to as main. Okay. Now let's say we have another uh, code which is first underscore module dot py. Again, if I execute this as of now, run first module, then also in it also in this also we are printing the underscore underscore name underscore underscore variable, and its value is main, as we know, because we are directly executing this code. Similarly, in the second module, if I execute this, it will print the value as underscore underscore main. So the point is, if we are executing a Python code directly from a file, then then the value of this variable under name is set as main. Now what happens when we import a file? So let's say what we are doing in the second module.py, let us import this file. Okay, now I am going to import first underscore module, and then let's say we try to execute this second module file. Then what happens? I'm executing this second module file. So what happens? Our first line is import first module. So whenever it hits import first module, it will execute this file first underscore module.py. Now, if I go to first module.py, what it does, it actually is printing the value of underscore underscore name variable. Now, if you see in this output, in first module.py, the first print statement that we get is, it is coming from the first module file. In the first module, we are just simply printing this string and the value of the name. So the value of the dunder name is first underscore module. So what I'm trying to say is that if we are importing a particular Python module, then the value of underscore underscore name underscore underscore, that is under name, is set as to the module which we are importing. So for this, so basically in the second module, when we were importing the first module, it went to the first module, executed the code, and it printed the value of dunder name, which turned out to be the first module name itself. Now going further, it printed the value of dunder name in the second module itself, which is main. So what it means that this double underscore name is present in second module and its value is main, because this is executing directly. We are not uh, importing second module anywhere. Now, if you go to another file in which we import second module, then the value of this variable would be second underscore module. Okay, let's try this out. Let's go to our main program, prg main. In this, I am going to now import first module as well as I am going to import the second module. Okay, and then I am printing the value of this name variable in this main program. So what we have is we are importing first module, we are also importing second module, and then we are printing the value of name variable. In first module, what we have, we are just simply printing the value of name variable. In the second module, we are importing the first module and then also printing the value of name variable. So let's see how the name variable turns out when we execute this main program. If I run this, okay, the first we are importing the first module. So it will go into the first module and it will execute the code. When it is executing the code, it will print in first module.py underscore underscore name variable is. Now since it is getting imported, so it will print its value as first module. The second line is in second module. Now in second module it will go and then it will, now it will not import first module because it's already being imported. So in the second module, name variable is second underscore module, which gets printed from here. And then finally it comes at the this line where it prints the value of name variable, which is from the main, this main program. So it prints its value as main. So in this way we can see that modules can look at their own um, underscore underscore name value to determine for themselves how they are being used, whether they are being whether the script is being executed directly or whether it is being imported from anywhere else. Now whenever a module is imported, what happens, its top level code gets executed. So let's see what it means. Now in the first module I am creating this. I'm just, let me uncomment this. What we have is, similarly in the second. Okay, so in the first module, I have uncommented the code which I had commented earlier. So it has one function called as echo, in which we will be passing x, and then we are converting x into the string, and then we are just printing x. So basically, it's like echo. We are uh, displaying that value x two times. And below that, this is the code that we started with. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals double equals to double underscore main, then print first module is being running directly. So we know that whenever we execute the file directly, its value is main. Otherwise, we can say that this is imported. Similarly, the same thing we are doing it uh, in this second module. Let me just follow the pep method. Give one more space. Yeah. So if you see what this code says, if under name double equals to main, then we will say that this module is called directly, otherwise it is being imported. Now we'll go to our main program. What we are trying to do, we'll just simply, in this we are importing first module, we are importing second module. In this module, in the main program, we are printing the value of name, and then we are just calling the first module dot echo and second module dot echo with the string. Let's see how it goes. Okay, since we imported first module, so it will execute the code of first module, it will go to the first module and it will execute the code. What it will do, it will execute this particular line where it will say in first module.py the variable name is first module, because this is being imported. So if you see, this is a function, it will not now it will come here. What it will do, it will check if name equals to main, which is not, because first module is being imported, so it will not have its value as main. So then it will print the first module is imported. So this is the line that you see, first module is imported. Now in the main program, what we do, we are importing this second module. So it will go to this file second module.py. It will find anything. If it has to be executed, it will do that. So it will print this line in second module.py name variable is. So if you see this, in second module.py name variable is second module. This is the name of the module. Okay. Then it will come here, it will check this condition. Since this second module is being imported in the main program, so it will not have a value of main. So hence it will go to this else condition where it will say this module is imported, name module is imported. Since name refers to second module, so it will say second module is being imported. Now going back to our main program, so these two lines are done. That is, the import has happened of first module and second module. Now it will go to this particular line where it will say in main program, it will now print the value of name variable. So in main program, name variable is main, because this file is being executed directly. Okay. Now what we are doing, we are just calling this method, we are calling this function echo from the first module. So it will go to first module. From the first module dot echo, it will execute the, from in the first module's echo, it will execute a function with this value hello world, and we are seeing this hello world twice. Then it will execute echo function of the second module. It will, and based on the logic we have given in the second module's echo function, where we are echoing it 3 times, it will print hello world 1 2 3 times. So that's how the value of underscore underscore name variable gets set. So if so, the point is, if we are executing the file directly, its value is set as main. And for any other modules which are being imported, the value of name dunder is set to the name of the module itself. Okay, so let's see. Now we may have a question like why it is designed like this. So I mean, that's a very natural question. So what happens, sometimes we want to write our Python program, and we want it can be used in both ways. That is, it can either be imported in some another Python program, or it can be executed directly itself. So it allows the flexibility. Either you can import a Python program into another Python program as a module, or you can directly execute that Python file. Okay. Now this also comes in handy for the quick development and testing. Let's say you want to quickly write a piece of code in which you want to do some test it out, then we can do it. So it helps in that also. It helps in debugging also, since it allows us to have a script mode where we can run unit test cases directly. Now, besides this, it's also an elegant way that running a module in a Python directly is just setting up a single variable. So if we have to derive the conclusion is that every module in Python has a special attribute, which is double underscore name, double underscore, that is dunder name. Now the value of this attribute is set to main. So whenever the module is executed as a main program, otherwise the value of this name variable is set to the name of the module itself. So that's how we derive, okay, if this particular code is executed directly, then use this statement if underscore underscore name equals to underscore underscore main. So that's it for now. Thank you.